Alright guys, so today what we're going to do is get this differential. We're going to pop all those bolts off, grind it all down, get it all ready to take over to the welding shop, just so we can get all those braces welded on. And this thing can handle up to 400, 500 horsepower, probably not 500, but we'll see what it can do before breaking. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to attempt to get these rusty bolts off. Now I guess it's not too bad. This one right here already popped off, so I can't complain. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. I'm just smacking the bolt in so it sits, or sorry, the socket in so it sits flush. And then I pop this guy on and just hope and pray, honestly. Oh, there's another one. Alright, here goes the other one. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Now I'm just gonna make sure they come out because I still gotta get my bushings off, and I still gotta get this guy off. So I just want to make sure that these will give before I start messing around with that kind of stuff. This is pretty much the most important thing right here. Making sure I can get this off so I can get the braces welded on. These ones above it, I'm pretty good. I'm not too worried about those coming loose. Just more worried about these guys down here, like this one. Got my long extension for that guy. Get tighter than that. Oh boy, this one's a tricky one. Oh no, it just got really light. It's snuggling up. Yeah, I'm gonna be slow with this guy. Alright guys, so I was able to get this bad boy right here right out. It's actually not even dirty inside. I mean, I cleaned it up, the threads, before I put it back in. But as you can tell, it's not even that bad. Quite clean, honestly. So I'm just gonna put it back in for when I clean up later, so it doesn't mess anything up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna grind away at this bolt here. Yeah. Oh man, it's been too long since I've actually done like hard fucking bullshit like this. But this is what I've come to get this off after cutting it. Seems like it's working. Crazy. Got this off. The thread off of the other side. And this plate off the other side. And this guy still won't come out. Whew. That's nice. Like, how does this even happen? Look, there's still writing and stuff on these bolts. But, that cracked, so that's always fun. Wish me luck getting that off. Okay, so real quick before I run out of room on my phone, I got this guy off. I ended up cracking that piece right there, and yeah, but it's out, it's off, and this thing's ready for me to take out the what do we call them, bushings. Alright guys, so I found out that I don't have to do this because the guy that I'm going to take this to, which is also a YouTuber, so that'd be cool. You guys will be able to see his video. But he has a bushing press, so I don't actually have to be struggling with this like I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these guys all off and just take this apart. Oh, well, first I gotta grind these down because the plates, brace plates, I don't know what you want to call them exactly, but they're going to be blocked by this on each side. So what I have to do right now is just grind those all down, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I might take a wire wheel to it first and just clean up all this rust. But yeah. So I got that all cleaned up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grind down those little tabs. The grind day real quick. Alright guys, getting ready to take apart the diff now. Oh, it's getting caught. Thank God those are in there. Don't drop down the gears, don't drop down the gears. Fuck, okay, there we go. Oh. Woo. That's a hefty little fucker right there. Don't move. Okay. Whew. That was pretty hard to get out, not gonna lie. As you can see, those are all shaved down. Just gotta clean this out now. Whew. That was fun. Alright, just gonna clean that up now real quick. Alright guys, so as you can see, this guy's all apart. It's all shaved down, perfect for the little plates to get welded on. I'll clean it all up once he's done with his stuff, and maybe paint it silver, I don't know yet. But yeah, that was fun. I got my diff right here, keeping it safe. But other than that, there's pretty much not much else to do. Gonna go there tomorrow morning, and he's gonna get the bushings out and weld those brackets on. Also gonna get my other buddies done at the same time. He's doing a 3.3 differential with a 6-speed, so that's gonna be really cool. And yeah, if you guys want to know more information about that, stay tuned, and maybe I'll do a review. But yeah, the guy that I'm going to get this welded from is Bonifab Customs. And he's a local guy to me, and he made some YouTube videos that are pretty awesome. You guys should check him out. I'll put a link in the description, and I'll put his name up here for you guys. so you guys can check them out yourselves. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Each like goes a long way. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.